Imagine a world where diseases are cured with a single edit to your DNA, where autonomous systems handle daily chores, and where energy is both clean and limitless. These aren't distant dreams. They're becoming reality through groundbreaking technologies. In this article, we'll explore transformative innovations reshaping our world, from AI-driven industries to quantum breakthroughs. Stay tuned until the end, where we'll discuss how you can leverage these advancements to thrive in the future. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more insights on the technology shaping tomorrow. 1. Artificial intelligence, revolutionizing industries. AI continues to be a transformative force across sectors. From healthcare to transportation, AI-driven technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision are enhancing productivity and creating new opportunities. Tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E are revolutionizing content creation, while autonomous AI systems are leading the charge in fields like autonomous driving, precision medicine, and personalized education. In the coming years, AI is expected to become even more integrated into our daily lives, making tasks more efficient and solutions more accessible. 2. Quantum computing, solving the impossible. Quantum computing is poised to solve complex problems that are beyond the reach of traditional computers. By leveraging quantum bits, qubits, these machines can process massive amounts of data simultaneously. Industries like cryptography, material science, and drug discovery stand to benefit significantly. Companies like IBM, Google, and startups like Rigetti Computing are racing to develop practical quantum computers. As this technology matures, it will likely revolutionize fields requiring high-level computation. 3. 5G and beyond, hyperconnectivity. The rollout of 5G networks has already begun transforming how we connect to the internet. With ultra-fast speeds and low latency, 5G enables advancements in IoT, autonomous vehicles, and augmented reality. Beyond 5G, the research into 6G networks promises even greater capabilities, such as real-time holographic communication and massive-scale machine-to-machine networks. This hyperconnectivity will bridge the gap between physical and digital worlds, creating smarter cities and more efficient industries. 4. Blockchain and Web3, decentralizing the internet. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing finance, supply chains, and digital identity management. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are just the beginning. Web3 technologies aim to decentralize the internet itself. Decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, are gaining traction, empowering users with greater control over their assets and data. These technologies promise a more transparent, secure, and equitable digital future. 5. CRISPR and gene editing, redefining medicine. CRISPR, Cas9, and other gene editing tools are transforming medicine by enabling precise editing of DNA. These technologies hold the potential to cure genetic disorders, improve crop yields, and combat diseases like cancer. Advances in synthetic biology are further pushing the boundaries, allowing scientists to design organisms with tailored characteristics. The implications for agriculture, pharmaceuticals, and sustainability are profound. 6. Augmented reality and virtual reality. Immersive experiences, AR and VR technologies are redefining how we interact with the digital world. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, while VR creates fully immersive digital environments. These technologies are revolutionizing industries like gaming, education, and healthcare. For instance, VR training simulations are being used in medicine and aviation, while AR is enhancing retail and design experiences. The development of lightweight AR glasses and advanced VR headsets is bringing these experiences closer to mainstream adoption. 7. Renewable energy and energy storage, powering the future. The shift toward renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal is critical for combating climate change. Innovations in energy storage, such as advanced lithium-ion batteries and solid-state batteries, are addressing the intermittency issues of renewables. Companies like Tesla are leading the charge with scalable energy storage solutions, while hydrogen fuel cells and nuclear fusion research promise cleaner and more efficient energy systems. 8. Biodegradable and smart materials. Sustainable solutions. Advancements in material science are creating new opportunities for sustainability and innovation. Biodegradable plastics, self-healing materials, and graphene are just a few examples. These materials are being used in industries ranging from construction to electronics. For instance, smart materials that change properties in response to environmental conditions are being used in wearable technology and medical devices. 9. Space exploration and colonization. Expanding horizons. Space technology is entering a new era with private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and NASA pushing the boundaries of exploration. The development of reusable rockets has significantly reduced the cost of space travel, making missions to Mars and beyond more feasible. Space tourism, asteroid mining, and satellite mega-constellations for global internet coverage are becoming realities. These advancements could redefine humanity's relationship with the cosmos. 10. Autonomous systems. From cars to robots. Autonomous systems, including self-driving cars and drones, are reshaping transportation and logistics. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Amazon are investing heavily in these technologies. Beyond vehicles, autonomous robots are revolutionizing industries like manufacturing, agriculture, and healthcare. These systems are designed to perform tasks with minimal human intervention, increasing efficiency and safety. 11. Nanotechnology. Engineering at the atomic level. Nanotechnology involves manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular levels. This technology is enabling breakthroughs in medicine, electronics, and materials science. For example, nanomedicine allows for targeted drug delivery, reducing side effects and improving outcomes. In electronics, nanoscale transistors are powering smaller, faster devices. The potential applications of nanotechnology are vast and transformative. 12. Brain-computer interfaces, merging mind and machine. BCIs are breaking new ground by enabling direct communication between the brain and external devices. Companies like Neuralink are developing technologies that could help people with disabilities regain mobility or communication capabilities. BCIs also hold promise for enhancing human cognition and creating immersive virtual experiences. This technology has the potential to redefine the boundaries of human capability. 13. Personalized medicine. Tailored healthcare. Advances in genomics and data analytics are enabling personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. This approach improves the efficacy of treatments and reduces adverse effects. AI-driven tools are further enhancing diagnostics and treatment planning, ensuring better outcomes for patients. Imagine a world where diseases are cured with a single edit to your DNA, where autonomous systems handle daily chores, and where energy is both clean and limitless. These aren't distant dreams. They're becoming reality through groundbreaking technologies. In this article, we'll explore transformative innovations reshaping our world, from AI-driven industries to quantum breakthroughs. Stay tuned until the end, where we'll discuss how you can leverage these advancements to thrive in the future. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more insights on the technology shaping tomorrow.